Hello, learners. Hope you all are doing very fine. In today's module, we are going to discuss about catenation. Hey, but before we start, I would like to ask you, have you ever heard about this term before? No? Don't worry, I'm here to explain you this. So, let's just dive into this without taking much time. Catenation is the property possessed by an atom due to which it forms bonds with another atoms of its own kind to give structures in the form of straight chain or rings. Alternatively, catenation is self-linking property of an atom. Some elements like boron, sulfur, phosphorus and carbon exhibits catenation, but carbon is very special among all of them because of the fact that it exhibits a very great tendency of catenation. In fact, it exhibits maximum catenating tendency in whole of the periodic table. Now let's discuss those factors which facilitates an atom to catenate. The first factor that facilitates catenation is high bond energy. High bond energy simply means stronger bond, which depends upon many factors like size of the bonded atoms and the type of orbital used to form bond. Small sized atoms form stronger bond as compared to larger size atoms. The second factor that facilitates catenation is high covalency. Covalency simply means number of bonds that an atom can form at a time. Though silicon, which is the member of carbon family, also shows catenation to some extent, but carbon shows catenation even more than that. Let's discuss this in our next slide. Although both carbon and silicon has maximum covalency of 4, that is, carbon and silicon both are tetravalent, but difference lies in the size of two atoms. Since carbon has size smaller than silicon, so it can attract the shared pair of electron in a much better way as compared to silicon. That's why bond between two carbon atoms is smaller as compared to the bond between two silicon atoms, and smaller bond length means stronger bond and hence high energy. Thus, possession of these two factors, high bond energy and high covalency, enables carbon to show catenating tendency greater than silicon or any other element in whole of the periodic table. Great catenating tendency of carbon leads to the existence of an important class of compounds, namely hydrocarbons. That was all about catenation. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning.